What's one goal? What's one important goal you just never seem to get to? You know it's important and you know how excited you're going to feel when you accomplish that goal. But what's really the secret to accomplishing that goal successfully? I'm Gloria St. Germain from Ultimate Music Theory. And something that has really helped me in achieving my goals is this motivational quote, this little puppy right here. I want to share it with you. The secret to getting ahead is getting started. The secret to getting ahead is getting started. Well, that makes sense. But how do we really get started easily? That's the big question, isn't it? I remember when I started writing my very first Ultimate Music Theory book, the Yellow Basic Rudiments Workbook. I had a goal, I had a burning desire, but it seemed like an insurmountable task to complete such a huge project. And then I thought about this quote. Mark Twain said, "The secret of getting started is breaking down your complex, overwhelming tasks into small, manageable tasks and starting on the first one." So I thought, well, if it works for Mark Twain, why can't it work for you and me, right? I wrote down the desired goal and the action steps to achieve it. And then I started, just started. That's always the hardest part, isn't it? Think about a goal that you've wanted to accomplish and you write it down. And the hardest thing is just starting. And it seems once we get started, the momentum starts going. So just get started. Whatever your goal might be, just get started. Creating a personal development plan that will help you achieve it is really the key. And I want to help you get started. I want to help you achieve your teaching goal, help you write your plan for success because your teaching presence is powerful. And we want to share that with our students. To dive deeper into these concepts and more, simply go to teachmusictheory.com. So teachmusictheory.com and join me for my upcoming free masterclass. And I'll see you there. And if you like this video, be sure to comment and like, share, and join our Ultimate Music Theory Facebook group, our community of like-minded teachers, educators, and musicians. And be sure to share your goal and what's the one action step you're going to take to accomplish that. And also subscribe to our Ultimate Music Theory YouTube channel because we release new videos every week on motivation, inspiration, and acceleration to achieve your teaching goals. I'll see you at Ultimate Music Theory in the teachmusictheory.com free masterclass coming up. Can't wait to see you there. Have a great day.